Today we'll be doing an unboxing video for Maxpeeding Universal Air Controller Kit. Now that we have all the parts, we got the gauge panel, air compressor, wiring harness black, wiring harness red, air hose cutter, Maxpeeding rod sticker, user manual, fuse harness, hardware and fittings. The air compressor kit allows you to monitor and adjust the air pressure in the air spring bag from the driver's seat. Single path controls lets you adjust one pair of any brand air springs. Our air compressor performs well for light duty and medium duty applications, occasionally for hauling and towing. Rated to a maximum air pressure of 100 psi, we recommend the working pressure from 5 psi to 70 psi to support tailoring your truck on different load conditions. And that's everything inside the box. Our universal air compressor kit promises to optimize your expectations. And remember, it's not just about safety, it's about comfort, control, and performance. Hope this unboxing video was helpful. See you next time.